Welcome to REM. Let's see how to accept or reject agent listing request as an admin. Click on Publish Request from the left side menu. Inside here, you can see all the properties request of your agents. You can see agent name, their email, their contact number, their property title, other details of the property, then the platforms on which they have requested to publish this property. Next, you can see their current status along with the type of the property. Click on accept to accept the property or click on reject to reject the property or click on property title. Inside here you can see all the details of the property. As an admin you can view the details. To accept the property, click on accept property. Once you accept the property of the agent, now it will be published on the corresponding platforms. By following the simple steps, you can manage the property request as an admin. In the same way, you can see all the sale and rent out property requests in separate sections. You can filter the properties with the status or with the agent names along with the platforms and with the date filters. You can see the ID, then the requesting date and time, then the agent detail, then the title of the property, descriptions, then property details, the platform which are requested, then request type and status, next the actions. So you can quickly accept or reject the property. So with these action buttons, you can manage the request of your agents. Thank you for watching. For any query and assistance, feel free to reach us to our support channels.